East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu announced today that Section 144 of the CRPC will be enforced solely in the counting area in Polo, not throughout the entire East Khasi Hills District on the counting date of the MP election results. Addressing reporters, Sadhu also mentioned that during a meeting with political parties and local headmen, the emphasis was placed on maintaining law and order during the victory procession scheduled for the 4th of June 2024. He added that security measures are in place during the entire counting period.
So, in fact, today we had consultative meetings with the representatives of the political parties and the contesting candidates, and even the representatives of various traditional heads. They have also came and expressed their concerns with regard to this imposition of 144, particularly that point number 5 of 144 restricting the processions and rallies across the East Khasi Hills District. So we have taken note of their concerns, and because in the last 2 or 3 days also this is being expressed by different stakeholders. So we have taken decision, in fact, that orders will issue on Monday, but we have taken decision to relax that particular part of 144 order, point number 5, so that they have that part can be relaxed. So at the same time, we have appealed to the political parties to cooperate with the district administration, and when they organize any victory processions, to give it in writing in terms of the route that they will take up, and to take measures from their side in terms of deploying volunteers from their side, and taking all measures to ensure that no untoward incident happens during these processions and victory rallies. So at the same time, so what I would like to affirm is that after consulting with all the stakeholders, we have taken this decision. At the same time, we would like to appeal to all people and all people of the district and political parties is to ensure that they have to support the district administration and cooperate with the district administration in terms of maintenance of the law and order. And if there is any violation in terms of creating any law and order situations or violence, that will be dealt upon. Otherwise, that particular point will be relaxed.
Okay, can you tell us that 144 section will be only involved in counting area?
In counting area, only in the poll, that counting area.
So not outside?
Not outside. So now that, as I said, that point number 5, which applies to entire East Khasi Hills District, will be revoked, and all other points will remain the same.
Following a meeting with representatives from various political parties, including the NPP, the VPP, the Congress, the UDP and Independents, the VPP spokesperson Bright Star Marbanyang expressed satisfaction with the district administration's decision to limit Section 144 CRPC to the counting area in Polo on the 4th of June 2024, instead of applying it across the entire East Khasi Hills District.
Ba udisi wa shemya karai bat dak baong ba katu section 144 by impose kan they tang po kajaka counting within the premises of the counting center kan dei saba ani bro ko ka district katari ko wei bat ka harapan ke udisi ulah pediang ya kai ka bangi nadu hasil banikong laong bangyan nomla ban pediang ya katu point number 5 po to order ka bamsha ban yami pai ba bamsha ban yai rally de pai ba thì nó có liên quan chung ngày xem hay thì bài vấn đề là số bóng còn sa pen bra pai pa thì kata hi nó có liên quan chung so ban pau ke ekonomi na kanika meeting jo ngidak sudah penyekendu batu DC.
The General Secretary of the Sinjuk Kinong Sinshar Shnong Kabri Uhinyo Treb R.L. Bla also commended the decision of the District Authority of East Khasi Hills to lift Section 144 CRPC on the 4th of June. Bla emphasized the importance for local leaders to engage with the Deputy Commissioner to discuss the potential ramifications of imposing Section 144 CRPC, as it could lead to law and order issues. A memorandum expressing these concerns was also submitted to the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills, S.C. Sadhu, during today's meeting.
but ni semua begidon ke jengket klik khamtam hakba de baka shongsuk ke shongsai nyong ka social long berokoi but ni dap de jing ngo lomba pat jujia teng menu kumkani ba happy week election MLA election ni kham shongshit ndai kumga MP election mjudon ta restriction ban ai ka section 144 nri kansan menta ki ai tingi halor kan ni nong rem nilai perkhat sani bahab ni omba am ni le yakando bat ngin ai ru ga jing ho yo DC ba ni ngem smot tanat ya kani hukum bo pani bat dei ban weng be mar doreka mar balai kani kapani ya kijing perkhat ki bobun jaj hakinong shongsnong bat kap wanra ya kijing shongsir kijing syakti tingi na kalian kejongi kesunjuk kenong sensia senong keprihnyong ra marbangib don kenu ka jingya dei bat kenu ka parti sain pertai tingi skau baga dei ka kamram ini banwan syakman bagin la ong ro UTC pe jing sya na do sing nong shwa ba pen penmi ya kani hukum phila dei ban khot yang ki stakeholders ban ne don lang baling ong yang ta mar lada mi ka hagano ko por the district administration ni government kinwat chwai yangi habak hadu de mengi ban jinja tinang ta da government sim ka ba smokia mat kum ki nong sensar shlong tu badon ke jikle ya ribat je benri rojong mismo ba kadi ka kamram jongi ba wan ni kandu du disi ban ya keren baru te hadin ngilai keren baru mentan tiula ai ya kejing kular ke jong ba menta ka chanmet ne lo la bandai monde ne ba la pen kela ya ka ni ka hukum ke jong bo a ban weng no ya ka ni ka section 144